Hey nerds, it's Track here from Nerd to Nerd. Today, I've got a free way for you guys to make 3D fonts and logos using Canva, Freepik, and Photopea. Follow along at your own pace, and as always, feel free to pause to catch up. Before we dive in, make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure I put all the links in the description below. Like this video if you're ready to dive into the 3D world of design. Let's get creative. We are going to be creating some awesome texts and some amazing logos today. So we are going to jump over to Freepik to choose some of our assets to be able to create these amazing logos and texts. What we want to do is we want to type in the type of text that we want. You get 3 free downloads a day, and if you sign up, you get 10 free downloads a day. You want to select PSD and free. They're going to allow you to get the free items, and there are so many amazing choices. Scroll on down and find the one that suits you best. You can be really specific in the description. I've just gone with a basic 3D text, and I'm finding one that I want to edit. You need to make sure that it says editable text effect, and also if it doesn't have that, it might have smart object allowing you to edit. It needs to have those to be able to do what we need to do today to create those amazing texts and logos. Once we have downloaded it, we want to extract it, and then we can jump straight on into the next step. If you have Photoshop, you can use Photoshop to do this. If you don't have Photoshop, Photopea is an amazing free option to be able to do this. It works very similarly to Photoshop. The only difference is that it's quite a lot slower and is missing a few of the capabilities. So what we're going to do is we're going to open from computer, and we're going to go in and get that file out that we extracted. You need to make sure you download the PSD one into the program. It can take a little while to load, so please be patient. But once it's in there, you'll see it on the screen, and you'll see a bunch of things on the right hand side. We're going to untick the background and get rid of that sample text as well. Once we've done that, we're going to double click on where it says to double click, and then it gives us the option to double click on a text only version, and we can edit the font, edit what we want it to say, all in that same screen. Once that's done, we must file and save as smart object. It is very important to save it as a smart object, not as anything else, otherwise it won't format over correctly. Once that's done, we're going to click the left tab up the top, and we will wait. It does take a little while, so please be patient. And once that's saved, guys, that will allow you the opportunity to file, export, and export as PNG. Once you've exported it as a PNG, you can then go over into your Canva or any other editing software that you want to use it in, and you can upload it straight in there. Now to do a logo, it's very similar. So I'm going to be in Canva. I'm going to find a logo that matches our brand, and it's just a guy with hair and glasses, and I'm going to make that black. I'm going to share, and I'm going to make sure that the quality is all the way up. It's saved as a PNG, and the background must be transparent. I'm going to download that one image, and then I'm going to head back over to Photopea. Once I'm in Photopea, I'm going to click back to the text only section, and I'm going to go File, Open and Place. You must click Open and Place, and then you can bring over the item you just saved from Canva. You want to remove the background, the nerd, so you can just click on that and tap delete on your keyboard, and then we're going to file and save as smart object again. When we click that left tab, it might take a little while to load, but once it does load, you will be left with an incredible 3D looking logo that you can use for all of your advertising, for your stream promotion, for anything that you require it for, and they look absolutely amazing. There are so many options on Freepik for amazing PSD files that are free, and gives you the ability to customize your brand just a little bit more. Once we get the file saved, we can go over to Canva or whatever software you're using, and we can bring that file over. It will save as a transparent background, and it looks absolutely amazing. It's a really quick way to elevate your brand, guys. It's very easy, very beginner friendly. I hope that this helps you, and if you have any questions, please let me know. If you enjoyed this 3D design tutorial, please make sure you click that like button and subscribe to follow along for more in the future. Links to all of the tools that we used today will be placed in the description below. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Until next time, stay creative and stay nerdy. This is Track from Nerd to Nerd, signing off.